Okay, so a lot of people have been saying that the voltage across TP1, TP2, if you want stable, shouldn't drop below about 4.75. And if I power my Pi from my TV's USB port, it actually powers on with the TV, which is kind of cool. But here's it being stable at below that. I need to go flip the switch. If you give it a second, Pi gets powered. TV actually turns on when it gets HDMI signal. I never realized that. So here we are at the first little bit of boot. I'm having to hold down the test lead, so that's why it's kind of awkward. Connects to Wi-Fi, so I got Wi-Fi and the USB keyboard receiver. And we're at 4.65. And so let's let NTP start. NTP hangs here. NTPD hangs here sometimes even with good power. So that's not just because of the low power. It's just, I don't know. It's weird sometimes. 4.69. Alright, now we're at my login. Yeah. Let's hope I typed that right. And didn't. Might be better if I do TP1, TP2 with my right hand. Type with the left. That might work out better. Alright. Okay, so here I am logged in with 4.69 default. Now let's say I play a 1080p YouTube video. So I'm using the command line YT. It's a little YouTube player that uses on Max Player. So let's just do a search for 1080p. Search 1080p. Okay, and there's Big Buck Bunny. Doop. So we let Big Buck Bunny start. Over Wi-Fi. And now we're down to 4.55. Still stable. And this isn't even, and this is without an overclock. But yeah, you get the video, plus sound, and it's hovering around 4.5. So, this is actually most about the. It's kind of funny. This is about the most intensive thing I can think of, and it's using the GPU. It's not even using the CPU. But yeah. So that's working, and actually, I uninstalled X. Trying to think if I have anything else that'll test it. Well, that's one way. I could scan the file system in CDU. So this is just a sudo in CDU root. See if that makes it drop at all. Because it's having to access a lot, so. Yeah, even then it's still there. But yeah, it's quite stable for me at even lower voltages. And it's nice that the TV powers on with HDMI. It's not CEC, that's just, I guess it's just doing signal detection. But yeah, now at 4.7 with just basic prompt. So yeah, that's the TP1 TP2 voltage powering from. The cable is a bit longer, and that might cause a little bit of droppage, but not probably not terrible long. So that's about it. Goodbye.